Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, I want to let you know that you will not be a teller forever, right? Now, this statement might look sudden to some of us. Some of us might as well wake up to reality that we are not going to be tellers forever. Now, have you taken your time to think of what is my future when this fashion designing job becomes oversaturated? Or what happens when you lose your shop, you lose the machines, or the economy is not being supportive of your struggles, just the way it is currently now in Nigeria? Now, what is your plan B to move forward? What are you putting in place to cushion the effect of the economy, high rise in cost of production, fueling, and the dollar rise? Now, what are the things that you are doing in order to come up with a plan B for you to sustain yourself at old age or in the long run? Now, some of us or many of us will not be tellers forever, right? I have seen top comedians that came out from fashion designing. They came out from fashion designing and they became comedians. I have seen most people that came out from fashion designing and they became musicians. I have seen most people that came out from fashion designing and they became master of ceremony. I have seen most people that came out from fashion designing and they became doctors, nurses, they became a professional in another field. Now, because they might have seen the vision or the future that they are not going to be tellers forever. So now, the earlier you also wake up and realize that I personally will not be a teller forever, is the better for you. Now, in this 2024, it will be of great interest for you and I to summon up courage and find a way to learn what they call digital skill. Now, if you want to follow the trend of advancements in technology, you need to get yourself acquainted with what they call digital skill. So, in this video, please make sure you watch the video to the end and make sure as well you share, comment, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Now, I have taken my time to outline 10 possible digital skills that every fashion designer can start learning in this 2024 in order for you to equip yourself for the uncertain future ahead of us in terms of economic meltdown and change, right? So now most of us have been hearing about digital skills, but we have little or no knowledge of this, right? So in this video, I would like you to watch to the end and also learn some points that you might consider in this 2024. Now, some of these skills I am talking about are vast, but I will give you little explanation. Now, number one is data analytics. Enhance your ability to analyze and interpret data using tools like Python or specialized analytics software, right? Then number two is cyber security. You can develop your skills in protecting digital systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. Number three is artificial intelligence, which they call AI, or what they call and machine learning. That they have AI and they have ML, that's machine learning, right? So in this type of skill, you are to learn the fundamentals of AI and machine learning to understand and implement intelligent systems, right? Number four is blockchain technology. right? You can gain knowledge in blockchain for applications beyond cryptocurrency, such as secure data sharing and smart contracts, right? Then number five, we have is what they call cloud computing. Now, cloud computing is making you to understand cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to leverage scalable and flexible computing resources. Number six is user experience. User experience, which they call UX design, right? User experience design. Then you can acquire skills in designing user-friendly interfaces and enhancing overall user experience. Number seven is digital marketing. Now, stay updated on digital marketing trends, including social media management, SEO, and content marketing. Now, number eight is programming languages, right? Now, programming languages is vast, but let me just explain to you. There are master versatile programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java, right, to build foundation for various applications. Then number nine is Internet of Things, IoT. You can learn about connecting devices and utilizing data from interconnected systems for smart applications. Number 10 is augmented reality, that's AR, or virtual reality, VR. Explore the creation and development of immersive experiences for gaming, education, or business applications. Now, these points or these methods or these skills I have outlined for you, I just gave you a hint of what it entails, the implications, what it means. Now, it is now left for you to choose either of these or go further, make researches on other area of digital skills for you to learn. Be in mind, if you are ICT inclined, you will notice that you will never run out of cash. You will never run out of jobs. You will never run out of clients. Now, if you learn any of these, you can even bring it into fashion and incorporate fashion or incorporate the knowledge of your ICT or digital skill you have learned in your business, and which will propagate your fashion designing business to the next level. So the earlier most of us will wake up to this reality that is coming to us, the better for us. Now, time has gone when fashion designers will sit on the machine on daily basis. All you do is to cut fabrics, gun fabric, you stitch, you sew, without any other source of income, without any other personal development, without any other um, 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 what's it called? Struggle, right? So if you want to stand out and be lucrative as your dreams are big enough to carry your fashion design is too small to carry your dreams, you need to diversify. You need to bring in other skill areas in your field. And be in mind that these things can be learned under 2 months, 3 months, or how many months, depending on how you want to learn. And then it does not mean that you are going to stop your sewing business. It still means that you can be going a part-time learning on some of these skill areas while you are also doing your fashion designing business. Now, for someone that might have started these things by January last month, today is 1st of February. Now, you must have made some certain level of progress in order approaching your planning duration, right? So it's advisable that all of us, please and please, put our hands in digital skills. Now, if you know you are not good enough in digital skills, you can decide to also be a content creator, which is still a normal, new millennium area of interest, right? So content creation is still vast. Even if you want to do it in a local way, you are still going to spend money, spend your time, make researches before you can make a good content, just like the one I am making here for you guys. As for me, I am going into AI, right? I want to go into AI, fully AI and ML, right? So now, if you observe, I have already decided on the area I want to go, right? AI is so vast. So if you want to go into digital marketing, cybersecurity, any of these points I've mentioned, please start to make researches on these things, right? So I will drop a comprehensive write-up of these skills in the description box of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and also invite your friends to join us on this platform where I will be bringing you knowledge aside passion, right? So let us all diversify our knowledge and also have a second or three or third source of income, right? Thanks guys for watching. My name remains Mr. Redefined. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video.